babes, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing, and it's because I have my favorite hair vendor. If you peeked at the title, you already know who that is. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, RPGSHOW. You guys don't even understand the level of excitement. Now, if you remember the last video with RPGSHOW, I had said I hope one day I can try a long wig, you know, let me just shoot my shot. And I did, and I shot my shot and it went in, and we have a beautiful wig. Look at this. Is this not the most beautiful wig you've seen in all of your years of watching YouTube reviews? Yes, I know. Let's talk about it. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 10x6 Glueless Maxipart wig. This is in the style O'Hare 011-C. The texture that I have is silky. The good thing about this wig is you can customize it to your specific needs. The lace color that I chose was light brown. I'm gonna be showing you 1 year update, how my wigs look in real life. So I'm gonna show you the wigs so you can see 1 year later, 2 years later, how does the wig look? How does it hold up? Because when you're investing your money, you wanna get your money's worth. So I hope that is something that you're interested in sticking around for. Let's jump into it. If you're wanting to know like how well the RPGSHOW wigs hold up, I think I actually reviewed this wig last year and I wear it all the time. And as you can see, she is still very much silky and bouncy and all of that. This wig is the same concept. This is a 10x6 lace. Oh my goodness. No, she's looking gorgeous. This is her fresh out of the box. This is before I recurl the hair. This is before I do anything. It also comes in a side part. This is the way that I kept it, and she came pre-styled. This is exactly how she came out of the box. I didn't put the curler to it, which I will, but I didn't. I wanted to show you guys fresh out of the box what it's giving so you can know what to expect when you get it at home. It comes already pre-tinted and it's perfectly blended to my skin tone. As you can see, you can't see nothing. Later on, I'm gonna style her in the middle part because that's just my thing. This is the best glueless wig you can wear. It's so comfortable and it really looks like a frontal because you have lace from here all the way to here. Pretty much the only spot that you don't have lace is just like right here. It fits like a frontal wig, but it's a closure wig. I don't know how they do it, but they just do it so well. I recurled her. This is what she's looking like. Ugh. Look how bouncy it is. It's actually tomorrow and I just wanted to come back because I wanted to show you guys and share with you guys some backstory about my journey with RPGSHOW. I'm going to reinstall my wig for the second time, and when I got off camera, I kind of wanted to see what this wig would look like straightened. RPGSHOW is celebrating their 20th year anniversary. So I've been collaborating with them for the past 4 years and every single wig that I've received, guys, has been so beautiful. Whether or not you're going for their glueless unit or say you're going for their, you know, full frontal wig, you cannot go wrong. And look at her, guys, look at her. And for a glueless wig, like, it just doesn't look glueless. I'm gonna share with you guys some clips.
But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like gunman. When I swim down to the deep end, wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real?
This is one of my 13x6 frontal wigs. Years later, their wigs still look so beautiful, and that's the quality that you can get from RPGSHOW. Again, same thing. This is just freshly washed, but you can see how beautiful the hairs look. Ugh, another beautiful wig. And I wear these ones all the time. When you buy a good wig, it really doesn't take long to curl. And this wig holds a beautiful curl, like so nice. Look at that. And that took like what, 3 seconds? You can actually take some pretty decent sections with this. The hair is nice. You can absolutely wear this wig straight, or you can wear her curly. It looks good both ways, and you kind of got to see it straight. And I don't know which way is my favorite, but I'm probably gonna prefer it curled. Look at that curl. You can also customize the wig cap size on their websites. Get what you need. Measure your head so it can fit perfectly glueless. This wig also comes with a little drawstring feature. As you can see, she's in this beautiful highlighted color. It has a little money piece on the side here, and then the ombre down. Oh, so gorgeous with the dark root. This is so pretty. And the 10x6, like, the parting space goes all the way back there. It has the C-curve ear tab, which is cut out. Your wig lays very flush and it fits comfortable around your ear. You're not having to pull that wig over your ear like a lot of wigs do. They've just thought of it all. That's exactly why I love them so much and why I'm obsessed, because of that reason. Of course, if you want to purchase this specific wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box, and I'm gonna link some other cute ones for you too, in case you're confused and you don't know what to choose. I have the 180% density, if you guys are wondering. Anyways, guys, I gotta run. I'll catch you later in another video sometime soon. Bye.